In the unassuming dawn of conflict, the Ukrainian army found itself in a precarious position. The battle lines drawn, the soldiers' hearts braced for the coming storm. Yet they were left to face a formidable enemy with a scarcity of resources. Advanced weaponry and armored vehicles were a distant dream, as they had to make do with outdated and often dilapidated equipment. The situation was dire, but the spirit of the Ukrainian soldiers was far from broken. Each soldier, with a glint in their eye and a fire in their heart, held their ground against the odds. Their courage was not defined by the weapons they held, but by the determination they harbored. The lack of resources was a challenge, but they turned it into an opportunity to prove their mettle, to show that the strength of a nation lies in its people, not its arsenal. With resolve hardened like a diamond under pressure, the Ukrainian army was ready to defy the odds. Against the backdrop of adversity, the Ukrainian army began to evolve. Unyielding and resolute, they persevered, slowly but surely transforming their circumstances. Their arsenal, once bare, began to bristle with formidable firepower. They upgraded their weaponry, securing not just better guns, but the best. Their vehicles, once non-existent, were replaced with cutting-edge tanks, as resilient as the spirit of the soldiers operating them. But they didn't stop there. The Ukrainian military embraced the future, employing advanced technology to their advantage. Drones took to the skies, becoming the eyes that never blink, providing crucial intelligence and support. Missiles, precise and deadly, bolstered their offensive capabilities, adding another layer of protection to their defense lines. Every step of their journey, every hurdle they overcame, was a testament to their indomitable spirit. The Ukrainian army had transformed, rising like a phoenix from the ashes, ready to protect their homeland with an unyielding resolve. The Ukrainian army's journey of transformation didn't stop on the ground. It soared into the azure skies, reaching for the most advanced technology of our age. The epitome of this quest is the upcoming acquisition of the WWIII Gripen, renowned as the world's most high-tech airplane. This aircraft is more than a machine. It's a symbol of the progress the Ukrainian army has made. It represents a leap from scarcity to abundance, from being under-equipped to boasting the best in aerial combat technology. The Gripen, with its advanced radar systems, superior agility, and cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities, is a force multiplier on its own. But it's not just about the hardware. It's about the spirit of a nation that refuses to be grounded, that continues to rise, pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. The skies are no longer a limit for the Ukrainian army, but a new frontier. From a position of scarcity to a beacon of resilience, the Ukrainian army's journey is a testament to their undying spirit. This band of brave souls, initially outgunned and under-equipped, rose from the ashes of adversity, proving to the world that courage and determination can indeed overcome the odds. They've been through battles, each one a fierce contest of will and strategy. Yet with every conflict they emerged victorious, their resolve only hardened by the trials they faced. Their story is one of continuous evolution, from humble beginnings with barely any weapons, to now boasting impressive arsenals of the finest guns, tanks, drones, and missiles. Their latest triumph? The forthcoming addition of the WWIII Gripen, the world's most high-tech airplane, to their fleet. A symbol of their advancement, a testament to their unwavering spirit. The Ukrainian army, once under-equipped and overlooked, now stands strong, a testament to the power of resilience and the unyielding spirit of its people. Slava Ukraine!